Oh, mga bata kasama nyo. Oh. Sexy. Say hello, Day. Say hello. Anong pangalan mo, Day? Say hello to the Philippines. To your mom and your brother and sister. Hello, Philippines. Where about in the Philippines? I'm from Sibugay and Dipolog City, Bisaya. But I live in Pampanga. Yes. Mabalacat. Say hello everybody all over the world.